Energy powers our modern world. From the fuel in your car to the plastics in your home, so many products we use every day start their journey deep underground as crude oil and natural gas. But how do we get from raw hydrocarbons to the usable fuels and chemicals we rely on? That story unfolds in the downstream sector of the oil and gas industry. Unlike upstream operations, which focus on finding and producing oil and gas, downstream is where engineering, chemistry, and logistics come together to create the finished products. In this tutorial by Pegis Global Limited, we're going to explore every stage of this fascinating process, from refining and processing to storage, distribution, and the push for sustainability. We'll make it clear, professional, and engaging. Our journey begins at the refinery, the heart of downstream operations. The crude oil that arrives here isn't usable just yet. It's a complex mix of different hydrocarbons, each with its own size and properties. To transform this crude, refineries use precise engineering and advanced technologies. The very first step is distillation. Imagine a tall distillation column. Crude oil is heated to hundreds of degrees Celsius and fed into it. Inside, the hydrocarbons naturally separate based on their boiling points. The lightest components, like propane and butane, rise to the top. Middle distillates, such as diesel and kerosene, gather in the middle, and the heaviest residues, like asphalt, settle at the bottom. But distillation is just the beginning. The energy industry is always evolving to meet new demands, stricter environmental rules, and higher fuel efficiency standards. This is where conversion processes come into play. For example, cracking breaks long hydrocarbon chains into smaller, more valuable molecules perfect for gasoline and jet fuel. Reforming rearranges molecules to boost gasoline's octane rating. And hydrotreating removes sulfur and other contaminants, which helps meet environmental standards and protects our engines. Refineries also produce petrochemicals. These are the building blocks for plastics, synthetic fabrics, fertilizers, detergents, and countless other industrial products. Downstream operations truly connect energy production to almost every aspect of our daily lives. Once the products are refined, they need to be stored and distributed. Massive terminals and storage tanks hold fuels and chemicals before they're transported. Pipelines are the main arteries of this energy supply, efficiently moving products over vast distances. To supplement them, trucks, railcars, and ships deliver to areas without direct pipeline access. And these pipelines aren't just simple pipes. They're sophisticated systems equipped with compressor stations, sensors, and advanced controls. Real-time monitoring ensures consistent pressure, temperature, and flow. Digital SCADA systems allow operators to spot any anomalies instantly. Safety is absolutely paramount, as any leak or pressure drop could have serious consequences. Sometimes, fuels need to cross entire oceans. Liquefied natural gas, or LNG, makes this possible. By cooling natural gas to minus 162 degrees Celsius, it turns into a liquid, shrinking to just 1/600th of its original volume. Giant LNG carrier ships then transport this energy to importing countries, where it's turned back into gas and injected into local pipelines. Beyond fuel transport, industrial logistics plays a huge role. Refined products are delivered to gas stations, airports, industrial plants, and commercial clients. Every single step involves careful planning, constant monitoring, and quality checks to make sure the products meet specifications and arrive safely. The downstream sector isn't just about production and transport. Safety and environmental responsibility are absolutely critical. Refineries operate under extreme temperatures and pressures, handling materials that are flammable and hazardous. That's why you'll find pressure relief valves, fire suppression systems, leak detection technologies, and detailed emergency protocols. These are all essential parts of any modern downstream operation. Regulatory compliance is another key piece of the puzzle. It ensures that products meet fuel quality standards, reduce emissions, and minimize environmental impact. Governments all over the world set strict guidelines, and companies must meet them to operate safely and sustainably. The industry is also changing rapidly thanks to digital transformation and automation. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, predictive maintenance, and real-time monitoring are now standard in many refineries. Smart sensors continuously track pressure, temperature, flow rates, and chemical composition. This allows operators to detect inefficiencies, predict equipment failures before they happen, and optimize energy use. Sustainability has become a major focus. Refineries are working to reduce their carbon emissions, improve energy efficiency, and integrate renewable feedstocks like biofuels and hydrogen. Carbon capture and storage technologies are being deployed to lessen the impact of greenhouse gases, and innovations in cleaner fuels are driving the industry toward a lower carbon future. The downstream sector is also deeply connected to global energy markets. Fuel prices, international trade, seasonal demand, and geopolitical events all influence how refineries and distribution networks operate. The recent push for cleaner fuels, the integration of electric vehicles, and global population growth have made downstream operations more dynamic and globally relevant than ever before. Just think about it for a moment. The diesel powering construction equipment in Africa, the jet fuel for international flights, the gasoline in your car, and even the plastics in your smartphone all start from the same crude oil molecules. Downstream operations connect millions of people, industries, and countries through a complex and highly coordinated energy network. Beyond all the technical processes, downstream oil and gas is about innovation, precision, and problem solving. Engineers and technicians are constantly working to optimize refining efficiency, improve product quality, reduce emissions, and ensure that fuels and chemicals meet the exact needs of modern industries. From refining crude oil at the start to delivering gasoline at the pump, the downstream sector is a powerful combination of engineering excellence, logistical mastery, and technological innovation. It's the invisible network that keeps our world moving forward. At Pegis Global Limited, we are committed to bringing professional, high-value education about the oil and gas industry to a global audience. Our goal is to make complex topics simple, understandable, and applicable for learners, engineers, and professionals all over the world. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to Pegis Global Limited, and turn on notifications for more professional, high-quality educational content in oil and gas. Thank you for learning with Pegis Global Limited, where knowledge fuels energy and powers the world.